Hello guys, in this video I will open 2 BreakPoint booster packs. These are the all new booster packs and I got them from my local Walmart. You get 10 additional game cards in each one. And here's what it looks like on the back of them. All this words and the website. I'll have a link to that in my description of the video. Let's start out with the Mega Gyarados. I'm a pretty big fan of these Pokemon. Let me see if this can open here. Here is the code card. You can pause the video, and if you have the Pokemon trading card game online, you can just type in this code so you can get an online booster pack. Straight from the back, see what we get. I'm not sure what that name is called, but you can take a look at them. There's a Slowbro. I like the new names of these Pokemon. Frogator, Growlithe, Clefairy, Mr. Froakie, Chikorita, Shelter, Tempo, I think, and a Drapion regular rare. That's a pretty good attack right there. Heavy impact, 130 damage though. That's pretty cool. Final booster pack of the BreakPoint. Oh man, dropped it. Here's the code card. Like I said, if you have the Pokemon TCG trading card game online, you can pause the video so you can unlock this code and get an online booster pack. Once again, 3 from the back. We have a Heatmore. That's a pretty good Pokemon. I kind of like it. Swanna, Cloyster, Growlithe, Clefairy. Oh, there's no Froakie. I like that. I like the bubble frog on it. Another Chikorita, Shelter, reverse is a Froakie. Froakie right there. And the final card is a Luxray regular rare. So, nothing special, but that's my first 2 booster packs in BreakPoint, so that's just supposed to happen. But thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a big juicy thumbs up. Like this video. Comment down below and tell me what you thought of those booster packs. And I will see you all next time. Peace out and goodbye.